Hey guys, welcome to Mom and Daughters Creations. Today in this video, I'll be sharing tips for staying organized and focused while studying. So without any further delay, let's begin. Tip number 1, make a plan. Making deadline notes in a wall calendar or book is a good idea as it gives yourself a target to achieve at the end of each week. So you're on the right track to have everything ready in time. So make sure to have a good and well organized plan. Tip number 2, make sure your room is tidy. A clean space makes way for a clear mind, which is just what you need while you're studying. So always keep your room clean and tidy, and always make sure that everything on your study desk is organized and kept and everything is kept in proper place. Tip number 3, take regular breaks. Taking a break from your studies every 90 minutes can improve your ability to focus on your work. It can also increase your productivity and creativity too. So, if you want to stay focused while you're studying, so always take regular breaks every 90 minutes. Last but not least, don't forget to reward yourself. Rewarding yourself can be a key to stay motivated. So, if you want to stay motivated while you're studying, make sure to reward yourself. Few reward ideas are giving yourself a treat, for example, chocolate, ice cream, or reading a novel, etc. That's it for today's video, friends. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Mom and Daughters Creations. Thanks for watching. Meet you in our next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.